All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this, I got something pretty exciting today with me on the table. And if you like that, you can check out Fablades.com, see if we have some more available, because this guy is a pretty cool one. Look at that. Beside the fact that this case is like, yeah, it's pretty hard. Always, by the way, just don't forget to check the back of the box all the time, because the spare parts, the stickers, are usually down here. But here you go, guys. Look at this fella. This is the mini camera M from Wanwu Studio, and it's a pretty cool one, and we're gonna check it out real quick. Let's just do quick measurements first. So you get 40 millimeters wide and 25 millimeters tall. Let's say the overall thickness is going to be 17 millimeters, and as you can see, this is a magnetic one, and it's a beautifully made one. What is this guy? This is a Fidget toy. It's a camera M. It's the mini camera M. So this is a slider, camera mini. It is inspired, of course, by the Leica cameras, Leica M, which I use, and they are just amazing. And you can also see that this guy is very light, because this fella is in titanium. So let me grab the scale and check out the weight of this little guy, which I truly love. That is 45 grams in the pocket. It's crazy. Let's do a quick size comparison up against, obviously, the bigger brother. So that's the camera M, that's the full Zirk version. So you can clearly see how that guy stands on the compared to that. You get another slider right over here. That's the Maki. That's the CP2, another Mahjong slider, just to show you the size of that. Another slider I want to show you. That is one of my favorite one. This is the big slider right over there. What else you want to see? Of course, I'm going to show you just a couple. Classic, that's the Maki, CP3, and you got the Battle Shield, also from Wanwu. But that is it. I don't want to, be tedious with the size comparison. I just want to show you the toy. Look at this. It's a pretty cool slider. It's only a slider? No, because you have a clicking mechanism here, and in the back, I'm not sure, but for example, you can detach, you can check your serial number, so that's going to be 40 of 299 made, so that means this is a limited edition, so there's only 300 of these made, and that's it. Once it's done, it's done. It's not going to be reissued. You can see clearly a slider going on over here. You can detach, you cannot actually detach the lens. You can just click, rotate, and it's gonna feel like one of those safe you're trying to crack. So you got a haptic lens, you got a sliding body, and you got a clicking shutter speed. It is a multi-fidget tool with the bronze titanium anodized body, with the titanium slider and bronze anodized lens. Look at that. Really cool, guys. It's very simple. It's super tiny in the hand. You have a hole here, so that can be used as a what? Lanyard hole. So just pass some paracord through here, and you're gonna be a happy camper having this kind of thing dangling in your keychain or whatever, in your backpack. It's gonna be pretty cool, and it doesn't fall off because the magnets are pretty strong. So another thing I want to mention, of course, you're going to see some scuffs, some scratches after use, and that is normal because it's metal on metal, guys. So it's normal that some wear is going to occur. So don't worry about that. It adds character to the toy, and it makes yours. So, it's like becoming a personal thing. One last little detail, guys. You get a treat vial slot over here in the flash position. I would say that's not really the flash position. The camera M, they didn't have any flash. They only have the rangefinder, and that would be the rangefinder window. So install a nice treat vial right there, and you're gonna have some luminescence in the dark. And look at the little details over here. Those are the synchro flash connectors. Of course, that's the viewfinder, and here is the back plate for the camera. Pretty cool indeed. It's a very nice little toy. Fantastic. I'm a photographer, so I just love the fact that they inspired this design from the Leica M. So there you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.